Hello, a beautiful morning to all of you. This is Shikha present here, presenting the English Cafe, and I am a student of Vinova University. As you know that I am pursuing the degree of BA plus BA integrated course, and you are quite familiar with that topic, that which is far better, allopathy or Ayurvedic. Let's take the point of view Anmol. Hello, Anmol.
Hello. So this is Anmol Kumari. Today I am doing my bachelor in computer applications degree.
Okay.
So
May I know your perspective that which topic you are going to favor?
I am going to favor Ayurvedic.
Okay. So may I know the reasons?
Yeah, there are a lot of reasons to favor Ayurvedic. Just because Ayurvedic will give you a permanent cure, instead in regard of when we talk about the allopathy, then it will not give you a proper cure and a safe cure.
If someone is suffering with the cancer, how can you treat that person with the help of Ayurvedic?
And I know that everyone is taking this little bit example of cancer, silly example of cancer.
He is the last stage of cancer.
Listen,
cancer.
The doctor who advised the allopathy, we listen that a lot of persons are died of cancer after using the allopathy medicines. So how can you say that allopathy medicines can treat cancer? And so another example. Let's talk about jaundice, dengue. This can't be cured by allopathy. The doctor simply tells that
this can be cured by using allopathy. By using Ayurvedic.
There is no any specific medicine to cure jaundice and dengue and arthritis and lots of diseases.
By using Ayurvedic, it takes for curing 2 and 3 years.
No.
Yes.
Not 2 or 3 years.
Yes, but it takes 2 lives.
Okay, let it take 2 months, 2 years. But what about allopathy? It will not cure.
Yes, it will be curing the people.
The doctor simply said that there is no any specific medicine of.
There is a vaccine of dengue, as you know, as you are familiar with that. There is a vaccine of dengue.
The doctor will suggest you some simply medicines which is some antibiotics, but it will not cure you.
Yes, there is a vaccine. I don't know the name of vaccine, but there is a vaccine.
They simply said that you have to take some Ayurvedic treatments such as the juice of papaya leaves and the and the milk of goat. They simply said that there is no any specific medicine to cure this. It's totally depend upon your Ayurvedic treatment.
I can say that Ayurvedic is best because it has no side effect.
How can you say that it has no side effect? There are 5 elements of herbs, but in the included of herbs, it's named as para. It's very poisonous for the old man and also for the child. How can you say that it has no side effect?
It is a kind of poison. So how can you say poison is a different thing and the herbs are different?
No, when you use as para, as in a limited source, it works as a herb. So firstly you know that how can you say that Ayurvedic has no side effect? It has side effect. When you take your pills of Ayurveda in a long time, it also get affected your health.
But as comparison to the allopathy, it affect our body very less, but only the 2 or 3 herbs which affect our body, but not all of the. But if I talk about the allopathy, every medicine have the side effect.
If you imagine that there is an accident, then how can you treat with the help of Ayurveda?
Yes, we can treat with the Ayurvedic. So you can't say that in the
severe injury. I'm asking for the severe injury.
It has the medicine in the Ayurvedic for the severe injuries. If I talk about the earlier times, there was a war and the lot of things in the war. You can face a lot of severe things, and they were treated.
But what about the surgeries are going on?
No, you can't say that surgery has invented in the Ayurvedic. In the allopathy, it has invented a very early time. A plastic surgery has been invented in the Vedic period. Rishi Munis has invented the plastic surgery. So you can't say that allopathy has invented.
But most of the peoples are in the favor of allopathy, and most of the people also give priority to the allopathy. So they go to the private hospitals, and also the allopathy hospitals, not the in the comparison to Ayurvedic hospitals?
Because people are not aware about the Ayurvedic period, about the Ayurvedic things.
You are not using Ayurvedic tablet because your lack of knowledge. You don't aware with how
I am
can
not
yes
lack of
you
knowledge.
you are
There
aware.
there
You
are
are
lots
not
of
aware with that.
educated. There are lots of educated doctor in the whole world who are using.
As you know that in a
English
Gupta
medicines.
period there is a Charak. As you know that he is a founder of Ayurvedic and he wrote it in his book Charak Samhita.
Okay,
as you know that whole process. How can you treat the hand crack? So wrote. Sorry sir.
Okay. I am question regard. I
have a question.
I have a question. Okay. Suppose
Just I have a straightforward question.
I have
regarding
a
your
straightforward regarding your point.
I have a
Suppose
straightforward क्या?
suppose question.
जैसे I have a
Suppose
straightforward question.
I
हड़बड़ी में बच के नहीं निकलना. आराम
बोलना
से.
सर बहुत point है.
बोले बिंदास बोले. जैसे.
I have a
very
question
straight-
regarding to your point. Suppose
regarding के साथ तू नहीं लगता है मेरे भाई.
Regarding your point.
I have a straightforward question regarding your points.
I have a straightforward question regarding
Your
your points. Okay. Suppose your brother is just 2 years old and he is just crying. He is very crying for head pain. Are you using Ayurvedic because it recovers at least 1 month? At that time, what you do?
I prefer some boiled water and also
Boiled water?
boiled water and also use tulsi and also use
Tulsi
the
is not recover 2 to 3
yes
minutes.
it gets
Tulsi
it
is not recover 2 to 3 minutes. It takes at least 1 month.
no for
am
you are
also
talking
used
about
tulsi. I am
you
also-
are talking
I am
about
also
2 years
using
child
tulsi.
it's not
It doesn't provide instant result.
It doesn't provide instant result.
you are talking about 2 years child now how
but
can
they are crying-
how
they are
can I
crying
get
very-
their health in a danger by using
he is-
allopathy medicine
But at that time you are also uses.
no and I didn't
Okay.
use it na
You are
In
using
your
at
point
that
of-
time.
in
There
your point of
there
view,
are
you are
many
saying
parents-
that you
there are many
use.
parents. There are many parents. Okay, they are.
because they are lack of knowledge they are not aware with the Ayurvedic.
No, you are wrong.
No, I am not wrong.
At that time you are wait for Ayurvedic
एक
cream.
चीज सुन ले.
Ayurvedic
आपने
medicine.
बुलाया है. आप इस तरीके से डायरेक्टली किसी को नहीं बोले. You are wrong. आप बोले. You might be right up to some extent. थोड़ा diplomatically बोलना. You might be right up to some extent as per your mindset, as per your perspective. But with regard to this point, I have something different mindset. ऐसे बोलो. I have some different opinion regarding this one.